Welcome to Flavor Forecast. We're all curious about finding different ways to incorporate cultural flavors into our food. So today I'm looking for suya, a spice from Nigeria that's peanutty and delicious. Let's see what we can find. We're in the kitchen with my friend Bub.
Hey,
Thank you for being here.
How are you?
Ooh. I'm so excited to learn about suya today. You gotta teach me everything I need to know.
Everything you need to know about suya, you got it. Suya comes from the northern part of Nigeria. And the primary ingredient in suya is peanuts. Ground peanuts, some ginger, some garlic, and other spices.
Let's get going. What's
All
my
right,
next
so
step?
we have our onions, our peppers, and I'm gonna show you how we make suya.
Okay.
You're gonna bring the suya over. We have 3 different spices here.
Okay.
We have some chicken broth, we have some garlic, and we have some actual suya powder. So now dab it generously in the suya powder. You have to use a lot of suya powder.
More than any other
More than any other ingredient, exactly. And then when we're done cooking, you're gonna bring it back and put more suya powder on it
Oh,
again.
wow. Double
Absolutely.
trouble.
Yes.
Okay. And then I throw it in the pan.
Yes, throw it in the pan.
Okay. Should I get going on another one?
Let's do another one.
And how do the tomatoes and bell pepper and onion get
It
incorporated?
complements the dish because when you're eating the suya, it's very spicy. So the tomato and the peppers and the onions help balance off the heat. So it makes your mouth, instead of being very dry and hot, it gives it a little cooling effect. We're ready to kind of like dive in and have some suya in the city.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring it over to the powder again.
And I'm putting our key ingredients on the plate.
Excellent, excellent.
We've got our bell pepper.
Are you excited?
This is
Dab
exciting.
dab some more suya on
Is that
it.
enough?
That's more than enough.
Good?
You good?
All right. A skewer
All right.
for you.
Thank you.
A skewer for me to
Thank you.
celebrate learning about suya. Cheers,
Cheers.
Bub. Now that is good. You're the best.
Thank you.